Hello everyone, welcome to my home decoration channel. I hope you are fine and doing well. In today's video, I will show you beautiful L-shaped kitchen design and ideas and latest ideas of 2022. So guys, if you are worried about the selection of beautiful kitchen, so don't worry, I am here for you and I will help you. In this video, I'm going to show you beautiful and latest kitchen designs and ideas and trendy ideas of 2022. These beautiful kitchen designs helps you to play with the society and leave long-lasting impression. You can also share this video with your friends and family members. These beautiful kitchens helps to make your home so beautiful and elegant look to your homes. So guys, I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. Don't skip the video because all the designs of kitchens are most beautiful and elegant look to your homes. And guys, we all know that kitchen is the most essential part of our home and everybody want beautiful kitchen. So I have many ideas for you selection for the kitchen. And guys, here you see beautiful kitchen cabinets, beautiful drawers, beautiful woodwork. I hope you will enjoy. So guys, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe and also like the video and press the bell icon to get the daily update and share it with your friends. And also tell me how was my video in the comment section and which kind of videos do you want to see on my channel. I hope you will enjoy. We will meet in the next video with great and latest ideas. Thank you for watching.